Should I mix all of this paint together? For those of you who are new here, my name's Natalia, and I'm moving because I can't afford my house anymore. And we're trying to get the house ready to rent. So we need to paint it. And I'm like looking at paint colors and paint choices, and I'm like, well, paint's expensive. It's gonna be $500 if we paint it ourselves. But then I have all this paint. There is a lot of paint that I have left over from projects that I have done over the years, and I have seen videos where people have mixed a bunch of paint colors together, and it usually ends up a brown or a gray, and I'm gonna have to get rid of this paint anyways. So I'm thinking I should just mix it all together. But I don't know, there's a lot of colors. There's a red, this is green. I think this one is a yellow. I wouldn't do that because that's not the right kind of paint, but there's more red. I don't know, maybe it's a good idea. There's black. This is dark green. There's more green. Let me know in the comments. Do you think I should do it? I think I might do it.